matrix number is AA190115. Our group had chosen bitter gourd as our herbal plant that has a lot of beneficiaries and can be widely used as a healthy vegetable. Bitter gourd is a tropical and subtropical horticultural species cultivated for edible fruits, known for its extreme bitterness. Bitter gourd is an indigenous vegetable to tropical regions of Asia and is also broadly grown in Africa and the Caribbean. Bitter gourd, also known as Momordica charantia, that has many other common names used globally, namely bitter melon, balsam pear, balsam apple for local English people, pare for Indonesia, peria for Malaysian people, margaux from French, and karala from India. Bitter gourd belong to the family of Cucurbitaceae, a species from charantia, and have a genus of Momordica. As I said earlier, bitter gourd have a lot of beneficiaries from its natural value and medicinal properties that making it as primary or first-class place among precious vegetables. Bitter gourd have a morphological features of stem, fruit, flower, leaf, and seed. Momordica charantia have a stem vine grows up to 5 meters in length. They have simple tendrils and are rigid, smooth, or hairy. The fruit has a distinct warty exterior and has an oblong shape, and most often eaten green or as it is beginning to turn yellowish. Male and female flowers are different and have unisexual, borne at leaf axils, regular, pentamerous up to 2 cm long, and have a color of pale yellow to orange yellow. The leaf has a showy, alternate, borne on 1.5 to 7 cm long petioles that can be glabrous or pubescent, deeply planted. And the seed has a rectangular, flattened, white or brown in shape. Usually, they will split open at maturity to release the seeds covered in a sticky red pulp. These are the basic features of bitter gourd, but it can be vary in shape and size.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjana binti Mat Saleh. My matrix number is AA1948. Today, I'm gonna explain about the eco-pharmacological of bitter gourd and its economical values. Bitter gourd or bitter melon usually used in several ways for the treatment of kill bacteria and viruses, fight free radicals, and prevents tumors. It's also versatile and delicious. Besides that, it is also give benefits to the eyes. Now to the next part, which is economical values. Bitter gourd can be processed as supplement. Besides that, certain industry in Korea, as example, are processing and can the bitter gourd. It also can make as pickle to make it last longer. People also cook the bitter gourd as delicious dishes that usually served at home and also restaurant. Last but not least, for economical values is bitter gourd also processed as oil. It is useful to prevent vomiting. The oil also used as a treatment for sores and wounds. That's all from me for the eco-pharmacological values and economical values of bitter gourd. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mimina Fana binti Azmi. So today I will present my part about chemical constituent of bitter gourd, which is first charantin, second tryptophanate, third steroid, and fourth cucurbitacin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najah Shazwani binti Harsan and number matrix is AA190778. In this part, I will explain about pharmacological uses. Firstly, bitter gourd is anti-diabetic because it does have blood glucose lowering properties. So, fresh bitter gourd juice was shown to significantly reduce plasma glucose concentration and improve response to an oral glucose load. Bitter gourd reduces the amount of glucose that is released into the blood by inhibiting the enzymes that break down disaccharides into 2 monosaccharides. The blood glucose lowering effect of Momordica carantia were closely associated with its inhibitory activities against disaccharides. This effect is important for the treatment of both type 1 and type 2 diabetic patients and helps to prevent high blood sugar level after meals. Second, it is anti-inflammatory because it can improve colon damage and increase the content of serum anti-inflammatory factor. Besides, bitter gourd also anti-ulcer. The extract of juice bitter gourd can reduce ulcer index, total acidity, free acidity, and pepsin content, while also increasing stomach mucosal content. So it can heal gastric ulcer and also prevent development of gastric ulcer. Also, it is antibacterial because the methanol extract and the ether extract of Momordica carantia leaf can effectively prevent salmonella type infections, improve the antibody titer of a mouse level of type infections, and leukocytes mobilizations ability, reduce the colonization rate and infection rate in the blood. Besides, it is anti-malarial because it contains 3 terpenoids to treat malaria disease. Lastly, the crude extract of Momordica carantia or bitter gourd can prevent the growth of very solid tumors, such as triple-negative breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, oral cancer, head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. That's all from me. Thank you.
After that, we have commercial product for bitter gourd, which is so common nowadays, which is bitter gourd chips, bitter gourd pills, and bitter gourd juice. So as we know, bitter gourd have so many benefits for people such as diabetics, weight loss, blood pressure, glowing skin. I want to tell you how to make homemade bitter gourd juice. So we need 1 deseeded and roughly chopped bitter gourd, half tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt to taste. So the method is mix the roughly chopped bitter gourd, combine with half cup of water, mix and blend this smooth. Then strain the mixture. After that, we pinch some salt into it and the half tablespoon of lemon. So it can be served immediately. It's good to have it in the first thing in the morning because it helps with lowering blood sugar and help with high blood pressure. A glass of bitter gourd juice daily in the morning is greatly recommended by the diabetics because the vegetable is rich in polypeptide P that can prevent sudden spike in sugar levels. Diabetics suggest to prescribe at least 2 milliliter of thick bitter gourd juice mixed with water daily to significantly bring down the sugar levels. So that's all from me. Thank you.
In a conclusion, bitter gourd is a white to translucent flesh and a green vegetable with a taste that deserves its name, which shows a taste bitterness. Bitter gourd prefer a hot and humid climate with plenty of sunlight and regular access to water. A rich source of antioxidants, flavonoids, and other polyphenol compounds, bitter melons helps reduce the risk of many health problems. Bitter gourd is harvested when it not ripe. Therefore, it looks greenish yellow in the aisle. When fully ripe, it turns pale orange. But at this point, much of its nutritional value is lost. Bitter melon is also rich in many important antioxidants. In fact, half a cup of fresh bitter melon accounts for about 93% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. The younger the fruit, the more vitamin C it contains. This vegetable has many cooking uses. You can steam, boil, fry, pickle, stuff, and curry bitter gourd to make delicious and nutritious dishes. That's all from us. Thank you.